Today's learner driver is Judah, who tells me he's never had a driving lesson with an instructor before. His test is in 2 weeks and he's taking this mock test to find out whether he's ready or not. Unfortunately, he does make quite a few serious faults during this test. Any of you that are learning to drive and want to take part in one of these free mock tests, then drop us a message on Instagram at DGenDriving. Hey guys, so today's learner driver is Judah. So Judah, could you tell us about your driving please, which was really interesting. When you messaged me, you said you've had no driving lessons?
0 driving lessons. I've got my test in 2 weeks, so I was like, I need to make sure my driving's up to par.
So how have you been learning to drive?
Well, I've had 2 cars before, so I've been driving around.
Oh, you've been driving around with a family member?
As well as, yeah, and my own car.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. So, tested in 2 weeks. You've never had a lesson with an instructor though?
No instructors, 0. You're my first one.
Okay, yeah, great. Right then, so whenever you're ready, if you can move off for me. End of the road, turn right. Judah gets a bit lucky with his observations here. I'll explain this in detail after the turn. I'm basically telling Judah what he did wrong as soon as he makes a fault so he can learn. I did this because his test is around the corner and he has no driving instructor. So this is slightly different from my usual mock test format. Let me know if you guys prefer this format or the normal one. This format will definitely help and educate the learner that is taking the mock test.
Oh, big shot.
So look, I'm going to talk you to this point. I'm going to help you out a little bit as well where I can, yeah, because your test is coming up soon. So there, look, you know when you emerged out there, yeah?
Yeah.
Do me a favour, park up on the left for me. Okay, so you know when you emerged out there, yeah? Okay, what was the view like?
Restricted,
yeah. From the right, there's a parked car as well, yeah. So there, what should you have done, you reckon?
Just checked a bit further over.
Yeah, just creeped out a bit more. Creeped out, stopped, yeah. You couldn't see past that car much. We could see probably 2 or 3 car lengths. That's basically nothing. So say this van was coming and he was closer, he was doing 40, 50 miles an hour. Yeah, you would have pulled out on him, yeah. So just be extra careful when, not just because it's obviously your test is going to be from there, yeah, but anywhere where you can't see, don't just risk it. Yeah, there was a bit of risk there. Look, if the examiner wanted to fail you for that, he can, but there's no danger cause. So if your observations are good at the rest of the junctions, they'll most likely let you off with it, yeah. But just be careful. If you can't see, don't risk it. Yeah, edge out. Make sure you have a good start to the test. Obviously, this sharp braking and that, not stressed about that because you're not used to this car. Okay, yeah, that'll sort itself out as you go on, yeah. But that observations one, just be careful. Okay, right, move off when you're ready. His mirror checks before and after overtaking parked vehicles were good. Mirrors are good. Braking was a bit sharp here, but he's still getting used to the car. Should we blame the boots?
I think so. I don't know. Oh no, it's the brake, you know, it's proper sharp.
Yeah, it is.
Is this alright place to stop here?
Yeah, so the stop line was quite faint. It is just here though. Yeah, so that's a good position to stop. When moving off, Judah doesn't use enough gas and brings the clutch pedal up too high, so stalls.
Doesn't get on.
So up in there was, yeah, you had the biting point,
yeah,
but then as you press the gas, you brought the clutch up even higher. You didn't need it any more higher. Yeah, once you get that biting point, press the accelerator to release the parking brake. Yeah.
Okay. Just press it.
Yeah. So once you get the biting point,
yeah,
make sure you press the accelerator.
Oh, and then drive.
Yeah, and then bring the rest of the clutch higher.
Oh, okay.
If you could turn right, please.
Those of you who aren't regular viewers, make sure you subscribe and become regular viewers. Judah steers too early but doesn't block the path of the oncoming vehicle, so gets away with it.
How did you find that?
Is that alright?
So did you understand what was going on there? Who you had to wait for?
I had to wait for the car approaching straight forward, and then the truck had to give me way.
Yeah, that's it. But you positioned a bit too far back. You should have followed the bend a bit more.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
A bit further.
Okay. Yeah, your position was too far back, so you couldn't see around that bend, could you?
No.
Yeah. But you still noticed that car in time, and there was no oncoming car. So that's the closest you come to a foul so far.
Okay.
So just so that you're aware, you know that turn that we did earlier where you positioned too far back?
Yep.
This is it. We're doing this from the other end now,
Oh,
yeah?
okay, I
We're
see.
just going to follow the road. That's where the lorry was, and that's where you were coming from earlier.
Okay.
Yeah, you understand it?
Yeah.
Good. At the end of the road, if you could turn right, please.
Judah said he got confused with the markings and steers onto the other side of the road. He realises as soon as he sees the oncoming vehicle. Again, he got lucky, but his luck is about to run out.
Nearly. He's about to go onto the other side there.
Yeah. I didn't see the marking properly.
I think that
It was
car
terrible.
saved you as soon as you saw that car turning.
Most definitely.
That's a bit of luck you need sometimes. Turn right, please.
Judah positions perfectly at this right turn, allowing vehicles behind to pass on our left. A quick plug of my driving app. Any of you that are learning to drive and want to save time on your lessons, then download my Ultimate Driving Course app. When you understand things before you get in the car, your lessons just become easier and you stop wasting time. Simple but so effective.
At the end of the road, turn left, please.
Here is Judah's first serious fault. We're approaching a stop sign. Guess what mistake he made here?
So, just to let you know, you have failed there now, yeah?
Okay.
Okay. But you saw the stop sign, didn't you? Did you fully stop the car there?
Oh, okay. It wasn't a complete stop.
No, turn
Okay.
right, please.
But yeah, let's see the little things like.
Yeah. Obviously, you slowed right down, you got gear one, but your car didn't stop at any point. You were just creeping. If that was a normal giveaway, absolutely fine to do, as long as you do your checks, yeah? Okay. But at a stop junction, you must fully stop the car.
Oh, okay.
When parking up, he signals too early but then realises this wouldn't be an issue on your driving test as we didn't affect anyone.
Too early. Oh.
Stuff like that, don't stress about too much, yeah? It does happen. Okay, and cancel your signal. Okay, like I said, we're doing this a slightly different style to a normal mock test, yeah? But so far, just that one serious fault for the stop sign, yeah, which isn't anything that you need loads of practice on. That right turn where your position was too far back, yeah, and then you got lucky with that car. You're about to go onto the other side of the road, you didn't notice the markings, the car turned up and you realised, so that was just a minor there. Okay?
But it's alright so far?
Yeah, so far.
Yeah.
So I'm pointing this out to you. Yeah, it's just that stop sign so far. Okay,
Cool.
Right. But we still got loads of roundabouts and that to do. Right, move off when you're ready.
Alright.
That's it. So signal to overtake, you don't need it. Yeah, your position's good. Yeah, if the road's really narrow and it looks as if you're parked up, then apply the signal. Otherwise, just check your mirrors and just move over. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to do the independent driving. If you can follow signs to Warsaw, please.
Okay.
So the first sign is just coming up here now.
Warsaw is to the right. He changes lanes well, but then we have a choice of 2 lanes that both go to the right. Ideally, you should select the left lane, but Judah selects the right hand lane. This isn't an issue as long as you move back over to the left lane when it's safe. Remember, the left lane is your normal driving lane and the right hand lane is for overtaking or turning right.
So continue following the signs towards the left, please.
Okay. What's that sound from, sir?
That's just warning you that someone's in your blind spot.
Oh, okay.
He shows good lane discipline at this roundabout and builds up his speed well. At this roundabout, I've asked Judah to follow signs to Cosley, which is right third exit. He makes 2 serious faults. One was for the signal and the other was for braking on the roundabout.
Yep. Keep going, go.
Oh.
Okay, signal left for me. Get second gear, please. That's it. Carry on. And cancel your signal. Right, so what happened at that roundabout? On the approach, which signal should you put on?
Oh, the right one.
Yeah. And so you know this signal that you put on there, was this to overtake the van?
I did that on accident, to be honest.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, so sorry, at the roundabout, which signal should you have had on?
I should have had my right one
That's
on
it.
going all the way around.
So you didn't signal, yeah. And a major roundabout, especially when there's so many cars waiting to join on as well, that can be marked as a serious fault, yeah. Again, I've had laners who have been let off with it, but if there's any fault, which I call a 50-50 fault, I'll always mark it as a serious, yeah, just so you're aware of it, yeah.
Okay.
But then on the roundabout, there was a stop line there, but there weren't any lights, were there? And what were you about to do?
I was going to stop. I thought it was lights for some reason.
Nah, there wasn't. There are lights there, yeah. They're for the fire station.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So when they are on, then you do have to stop here, but they weren't on there.
Well, no, I'm a little bit more calmer than I thought I'd have been. When I was on the way here.
Yeah.
Ooh.
It's how you're going to be feeling on the test day as well. Actually, I wonder if people are less nervous on the actual test day because you know this is going to go on social media and all that. Yeah. And it's on camera.
I think that's what's more.
Okay.
A bit more.
Judah was quite happy with himself for how he took this turn.
See that thing I did with my foot there?
Say it again.
You see the thing I did with my foot there? I just held it over the pedal.
Yep.
I learned that off your video. I used to coast around the corners.
Oh, okay.
Like a week ago.
That the videos are helping.
Telling you. Buy the course, guys, honestly.
Hello, my name is Olivia and I'm from Farnham. I first found out about DGN's driving course from my brother, like me, passed first time and really recommends the course. I've now been driving for a month and a half and it's so convenient being able to drive to college and just have that freedom there. If you are as eager as I was to pass, I would definitely recommend using this course to pass first time.
Well done. That was a good gap from the park car. Your gaps from park cars have been brilliant.
Okay.
Your judgment through tight gaps and all that. And now if you could park up on the left for me.
This was a serious fault for his positioning.
So what do you think about your parking position here?
I mean, they can't come off the curb here, is it? Oh,
Yeah.
it's too far out.
This is a normal driving position.
Yeah.
Would you leave your car parked here like this?
Definitely not.
Yeah. Okay, the reason why this happened, any idea?
I think I just rushed to stop instead
Yeah.
of finding a better spot.
Okay, so you know when we say park up anywhere safe, especially when you're on an uphill road, as soon as you come off the gas, the car's going to start slowing down. Yeah. So you went, as soon as I asked you to park up anywhere safe, your foot went over the brake.
Yeah.
So you basically had to quickly stop.
Okay.
Really, yeah. So
Yeah.
you just keep driving. A better place would have been by that lamppost. Yeah.
Definitely.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, for our position here and the way we stopped here, I'm going to mark this as a serious fault.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Is that number 2?
No, that's number 4. Remember, you got 2 on what? You got 2 at you know that roundabout.
Roundabout, the
Yeah.
turn. Was it the turn?
No, so you know so we had the stop sign earlier, but then you know on the roundabout where you missed your signal and then you're about to stop. Those were the 2 together.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And then this is number 4 now.
All right.
Okay, right. We're gonna finish off the test now
Yeah.
by doing the reverse parallel parking maneuver. Yeah. So we're gonna use that black car in front of us, pull up next to it, finish fairly close to the curb, obviously not this far. Yeah. And then don't worry about blocking the driveway. Okay.
This is a DIY parallel parking.
Right. Let's see.
He shouldn't have moved off here.
Actually, aren't they gonna come past? Shall I let them pass them?
See that's where you shouldn't have moved off. So signal left for me now. Signal left. That's it. Because you don't want to be like moving and they're gonna have no idea what you're doing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So stop there. Okay.
Oh, shall I go for the?
Yeah, carry on there, carry on. But don't move off until it's safe. Yeah, because you're right, you're going to block their pass. Yeah, it's going to put unnecessary pressure on you as well.
Judah's observations throughout this manoeuvre weren't good enough. There were hardly any checks out the back and he missed his blind spot checks. As we finish up, a back tyre touches the curb.
I'm not in front of that driver, man. I can't see.
Okay, so stop there now. Yeah.
Yep.
So you know what I did say? Don't worry about blocking the driveway. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. The whole point of this is kind of my bad as well. I didn't say because within 2 car lengths. Yeah, you got to do it. So the maximum space between that car and your car is 1 car length.
Okay.
Yeah, we've got about at least 2 car lengths here.
So you
you've
wanted
come too
it
far back.
by the tree?
Yeah, you should have stopped by the tree.
Shall I try that again?
Okay. Yeah, you can try it again.
This time I talked him through how his observations should be, but still we ended up too close to the curb. Definitely needs more work on this manoeuvre.
Oh, it's 2 car lengths.
Keep it slow, keep it slow, keep it slow. You're still in 2 car lengths, yeah? That's it. You'll stop here now, yeah?
Yep.
And you know, you didn't notice the back of the tyre is on the pavement.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, can you see? Can you see any gap between the
No.
Yeah, because it's a drop curb, you didn't notice, yeah. So you would have noticed if he was higher up, yeah. But there, obviously, you shouldn't be on the pavement, yeah.
Yep.
Okay, just take your time with it a bit more. You don't have to do it quickly, yeah. And here now, if you're like this, if you go a bit more forward and readjust it, you're allowed to do that as well.
Oh, okay, that works.
Okay, yeah, you're allowed to do that.
As long as my observations.
Yeah, as long as your observations are there. So with any manoeuvre, you think, nah, I'm not happy with that. The observations, readjust. Don't just leave it there. Right, thank you very much for coming down to do the mock test. And guys, like always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Amen.